What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ljraww coming back at you with another video. I know it's been a few weeks since I posted something. I'm gonna try to keep the content coming, but if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that sub button, hit the like button, like the video, comment down below. It's flood prep time, so I'm doing a little bit of flood prep work. And one thing I wanted to touch on before I get right into what I'm about to do, you guys that are fully stocked, please still come. You don't have to be modded, it doesn't matter. I wasn't modded my first year and I had a fun time, better than the time that I was my second year. My first year was great, so don't let not having nothing done to your car stop you from coming. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so today we're gonna be installing these gloss black fog light covers. I have my bumper already off. If you haven't watched my bumper removal video, the link will be down below in the description. You have to take your bumper off to do this because, as you can tell, I have the factory fog lights, which is being held on by a bolt here, here, down here, and at the bottom like 4 little bolts that you take off, and then you'll be able to prop off the factory covers. As you can tell, this is like a flat black and my lip is gloss black, so I bought some gloss black ones to match it. So alright, we're gonna get into this install and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like afterwards. Yes, let's get right into it. Alright, they were chrome, but I peeled them off and I'm gonna paint them metallic silver, the same color to match the car, because I literally have no chrome on the car, so there wasn't any point in leaving these chrome. So we're gonna spray this with this coat, probably wet sand it a little bit to get this metallic to stick, because it's gonna be on the front of the car. You ain't want it peeling or anything when bugs and stuff hit it. So this is the first coat of primer. Alright, I'm gonna get back with you when I spray on the metallic. So now we're about to start the first coat of metallic. Yes sir, that's looking good already. Had to get rid of that chrome. I ain't got no chrome on my car, so we can went with the metallic, the same color as my car to match the body. Yes sir. We'll probably do like 2 more coats. We'll let that dry right there and we'll hit it with 2 more coats. Alright, after the paint dries, this is the gloss black covers I got now. My other ones is a dual black color. Everything on the front of my car is gloss black, so why not match it off with the fog lights? Only thing you want to do now is just put them back, and they just pop back in these little clamps here. It's hard to do this with one hand, but they should just pop right back in. Boom. That looks 10 times better than that chrome. Yes sir. Alright, that look better already, man. That gloss, that color match to match the paint of the car. You can't even tell that was rattle can. But look how that gloss matches that right there. Oh yeah. But yeah, once you get this side, it just comes out just like this, the whole one piece. And these tabs, if you've done this before, you know these tabs just pop out and just pull it out. Alright, I'm gonna put the light back in. Alright, so now we got the bumper back on. The fog light covers is in. That looks way better than that chrome did. Promise you. Way better. Had to give y'all a little bit of footage with the lights on too, man. I got a install coming on the underglows. Alright man, that's it for this video. Alright, I'm out.